We got a good hit.
Built to take a beating.
We know that this shelter panel is going to be able to hold up against small caliber hand pistols.
This bunker is about to go through the ringer.
Yeehaw!
Forever Safe Shelters has put together a system that we believe has the ability to withstand multiple incidents. We're going to put it through the ringer, so it's going to be pistols, and then we're going to move up to long-range, high-powered rifles, and we really want to see the shelter panels be able to withstand that. That's probably not enough to keep us excited, so we're going to go drop a van from 50 feet in the air.
Yep, that's right. That van is going to drop directly on top of this shelter. But before we get to that, let's meet Ron Cherry, the man behind Forever Safe Shelters.
I'm Ron Cherry. I'm the founder and primary owner of Forever Safe Shelters. Then we're going to come on in here. And as you come in, you can see that basically the shelter's finished out, somewhat like a closet. In here, we will have some storage where we'll have everything from water and candy, ammo and lighting.
You know, the essentials. If people are going to trust their lives to it, Cherry wants to know that his shelter can withstand pretty much anything thrown at it. So today, Caleb Holt and his team from Texas A&M Engineering are testing it out Texas style.
Morning, Lee.
Hey, good morning, Caleb. Got our handguns out, got our ammo set up, our shotgun. We're gonna shoot our barricades here and see what kind of results we get out of the various calibers.
The uniqueness of this concrete panel is actually the paneling. So it's a 4,000 PSI concrete. It has over 40% additional rebar instituted inside the center of it. You see a lot of shelters that are just pour in place concrete. You see a lot of shelters that are just steel. It's the combination of the two that give us the extreme strengths. Today we're actually going to be taking panel components from Forever Safe Shelters and putting them through a series of 9 ballistics level testing. We will start at a very small 115 grade 9mm, and we'll go all the way up to a 357, and then we'll do a 308. And we want to make sure that these shelter panels can hold up to that type of close range action with pistols and rifles.
Line's hot. Eyes and ears, everyone. We got a good hit.
We're clear. Good.
We're moving up in caliber, so we're going to get a little hotter caliber. Coming up, we're going to shoot 357 Magnum. So we're moving up with some bigger lead, moving a little faster.
A 357 mag is nothing to scoff at, but we're in Texas, and out here, size matters.
This is a big bullet, moving pretty fast, big and heavy bullet, out of a big heavy gun. Here we go. Little double-aught buckshot, ready to shoot. .27 pellets, just hit the target.
The home invasion style attack, over. Now, they want to see if any of the bullets actually damage the shelter.
Just a little bit of chipping.
That's some of the debris that came out from that shot.
Impressive. A few nicks, but nothing major. Now, he wants to see if he can really do some damage.
So we fired handguns and we fired some buckshot at close range. We're gonna back off and we're gonna get the big guns out and we're gonna see what big guns do on here. We're gonna shoot some rifles.
We're at 100 yards and we're going to send 5 shots downrange, see how the shelters do. The 308, 150 grain, full metal jacket. Next up is a 308, 180 grain, jacketed soft point. Now we're going to shoot a 12 gauge slug.
The big guns have been fired. The team assesses the damage.
So really your full metal jacket there really smacked it. The 12 gauge slug and really that just flattened out and fell off.
You got 4 inches of concrete. What you want to do is slow down high powered rifles, and we did it here successfully. Withstood the ballistics, but the real question is when you drop a van on top of it.
Ah yes, the eternal question. Can you drop a van on that? Well, we're about to find out.
It's around 3,900 pounds, and we're gonna lift it up 50 feet in the air. And if you do your kinetic energy calculations of that weight traveling down, you get about 38.7 miles per hour. And so with that gravity pull, essentially you're gonna get 195,000 foot-pounds directly impacting this. And if you calculate that out and think about the fastest wind speed ever recorded in North America, it's 318 miles an hour. This is gonna be in the neighborhood of 1,200 miles an hour. What we wanna know is, if you're in this shelter, are you safe? All right, guys, take it up. Let it release.
That's awesome. That's what we're looking for.
Good job.
Yes, now that's what we're talking about.
Incredibly, the shelter doesn't budge an inch.
That was pretty awesome. And so when it came down as a solid hit, it held up perfectly. You withstood 195,000 pound-foot, so that's pretty impressive. It absolutely exceeded my
Well,
expectations.
when Mother Nature can't do it and you're doing it, that's special stuff.